looking at today, SYMA Q14 Firefighter boat with 3 motors. In the front we have a water cannon, dual propeller, dual motor. We have a dual hull opening. One is a cover and the other is airtight. We get a caution of battery guide to go over, an instruction manual how to set up and run your RC boat. We get a port charger, optional brick, with a spare battery, up to 40 minutes runtime, 2 20-minute runs. The balance lead has 2 notches. It matches the 2 notches, plugs in, put into the charger with a red blinking to solid light that turns off when fully charged. The opposite end goes to the boat, runs the boat when plugged in, only and only in water. The kit includes 2 nuts, 2 propellers, grease, a precision micro Phillips screwdriver, and an open-end wrench. We have a small RC remote with a single switch forward, reverse, a left, a right, an on, and an off, and the fire cannon button. The antenna and 2 AA batteries with a secured screw closing the door, locking in. 2 AA's not included. An included stand, easy to build with the notch facing outward. They slide together, locking into place, creating a boat stand. On the boat is the cannon that goes up and down. Located on the bridge is a crane that goes up and rotates around and down. It pulls out as well. The dual propellers and the movable rudder. The Q14 Firefighter boat with a latch that opens up one direction counterclockwise, lifting up and away. The watertight sail opening up all the doors with a tab in the front, lift up and away. A rubber gasket to seal the water out and showing inside of the engine bay. In the front of the boat is a hose connected to a motor that draws the cannon water. This is the plug to the battery that gets connected one way only. We have a notch, and they match up like for like and snap in. To placing in a new battery and replacing is lifting up and away. Putting a new battery in is sliding between the clips and snapping into place, placing the leads away from the antenna and motors, grabbing the cable and plugging in. When all is assembled, place everything back on the opposite way, the black clip facing forward and in, and pressing in firmly with all the clips facing forward and snapping hard into place and locking down each of the tabs. Once all secured, place the cover back on with the front tab into the black and the black tab locked into place, snapping in. You are ready to go in the water. For changing out a propeller, it's matching up the bolt size, holding the propeller in the back, and unscrewing clockwise. One side of the wrench is bigger than the other. Unscrew. With the cabin reopened, this is a spindle that needs to be held down tightly and rotate the propeller off. As it rotates off, be careful of any loose parts. With the lube grease, you'll put a little grease inside, grab a new propeller, place on properly with the gold or brass facing the back. Hold the spindle and spin back on. Carefully not to over tighten. Leave just a little play and place back on the nut. Secure down the nylon nut with the open end wrench still holding the spindle and locking down. Charging your unit is plugging in the LiPo battery first with the white balancer lead, then the charger second, and then turning on the power last, checking and charging. This is a pool, indoor and outdoor Q14 Firefighter RC boat for kids. It is a boat that will turn left and right, back and forward. It has a water cannon that will fire water for X amount of feet. It is a boat for summertime and all year round. It has a nice color of red, orange, and black with white. We're going to go to the water, place in, bind the unit, and have some fun showing you what the boat is about. It measures 4 3/4 about in the back and the height, and 15.75 from bow to aft. It has again a ladder, a water cannon that could be faced. It is a boat that goes forward, back, left, and right, and you could simply have it rotate all on its own. The Q14. The Q14, everything's ready to go. Transmitter's in the on position. When giving left or right steer, the propellers spin, and giving a trigger going forward, the Q14 will go fast forward as well as reverse. In order to do the cannon, just simply hit the cannon button on there. Point the cannon and off you go. This is what the cannon looks like when shooting, and when placing in the water, we are automatically paired. So let's place this in the water and get a shot for you. As the boat places in the water, we are ready to go. The cannon, up to 10 feet. On the bottom of the boat, we have a rudder. The unit will shut off when it's dry and give a warning. We can turn the rudder, so this way the boat will only go in one direction. If you do want to force the turn, you just turn the boat and you're able to bring back in. There are multiple ways of steering. We keep this straight and we're able to go out. 164 feet distance. It'll warn you if you went too far out of range. shoot the cannon. Your Q14 Firefighter. You're looking for a pool boat, small lake boat with a cannon, safety on and off. This Q14 Firefighter with up to 40 minutes of runtime may be something that you are after. Great for kids of all ages. Put a camera on top, use the ladder, put a little flame out with the water cannon and more. Enjoy your Q14 from SYMA.